We are doing trigonometry since 5 days. It is continuing. What are the trigonometrical ratios and their reciprocals, about the values of trigonometrical ratios. If one ratio value given, we are finding other ratios, and next in the second exercise, the angle values of trigonometrical ratios of some specific angles, that is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. And we have for every angle values, but they will get in decimal. We cannot easily remember, but we can easily remember these values: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. We can easily find. Sin theta 0 we can easily remember, 1 by 2, 45 1 by root 2, and 60 root 3 by 2, and sin 91. And for 0 to 30, we can find the sin 20 degrees also, sin 10 degrees also, but they are difficult to remember. They have values in decimal values between 0 and half, 0 and 1 by 2. And from 30 to 45 also we have values for every angle, 31, 32, 33 degrees, 40 degrees also we have. So from 0 to 90, not only these are having values, all angles are having values, but it is difficult to remember. That's why they are called specific angles, special angles. Oh. Today, trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. We learned in lower classes what are the complementary angles, supplementary angles, reflexive angles, complete angle, like that. Supplementary. And if sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, they are called complementary angles. It is possible in right angle triangle. See few more relations in this exercise we are going to learn. ABC. ABC. If this is angle B is 90, if this is theta, then sum of angle A and angle C is 90, because sum of the triangles in a triangle is 180 and only one angle is 90. Sum of these two angles is 90. So this is 90 minus theta. If this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. So let us write the values. See here in this, we have to prove sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. We have relation sin theta, cosine theta, co-angle, complementary angle. Similarly, second page, tan 90 minus theta is cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta tan theta. This is. And third ratio, secant to cosecant. Secant sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta sec theta. We can easily remember sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, tangent, cotangent, sine, cosine. tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. They are complementary angles. Coangles, complementary angles. We can easily remember the relation. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta, sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta, secant, cosecant. But reciprocals are different. Don't confuse reciprocals. Sin theta, cosec theta, and this is cos theta. Reciprocal is sec theta, and these are tan theta into cot theta. These are reciprocals. Reciprocals are different to complementary angles. Complementary co-angles. Complementary angles. Sin, cos, sin. But their reciprocals are different. Sin, cosec, cos, sec. They are confusion. Sec 90 minus theta. Immediately we have to say cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta. Sec theta. Like. So I will prove one formula. Prove that or show that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. How? 90 minus theta LHS. LHS what is it? Sin 90 minus theta. Here RHS cos theta. Okay. Let us write the ratios. Sin 90 minus theta, opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin 90 minus theta, opposite side AB by AC. Here also cos theta. Cos theta is here. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is AB by AC. Both the ratios are equal. Since the ratio is equal, then they are said to be equal. LHS equal to RHS. You can write opposite side of angle of 90 minus theta by hypotenuse. Here short form adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. Here opposite side of the 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta opposite side is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. Coming to RHS, cos theta is there. Cos theta means theta. Theta means this angle. Adjacent side hypotenuse. This is opposite side BC. So like that. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Number 1. Next, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. LHS cos 90 minus theta. LHS 90 minus theta is adjacent side of angle 90 minus theta angle. Adjacent side of angle 90 minus theta angle. Here theta angle by hypotenuse is equal to RHS. RHS what is there? Sin theta. Sin theta is opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse. So here adjacent side of 90 minus theta. This is opposite side. This is adjacent side BC. BC by AC. BC by AC is equal to sin theta. Theta is here, opposite side of the theta, BC by AC. BC by AC. Since both the ratios are equal, we can write, we can say both are equal. So like that we can prove all by using these principles. Let us do this exercise 11.3, and you remember for practice, sin 10 degrees can be written as sin of 90 minus 10, 90 minus 80. Sin 10 can be written as 90 minus 80, 10. So, but according to formula, here 80 is theta. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Theta is 80 degrees. So, this is cos 80 degrees. And the sum of the two angles always will be complementary. Sin and cos, sum angle, total angle will be 90. Suppose I ask cos 20 degrees is equal to, how to write cos 20? Cos 90 minus 70. This is theta. Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Sin theta is 70 degrees. So here both the angles are 90. 20 and 70. Subtract from 90 because they are complementary angles. Suppose I ask sec 16 degrees is equal to, how to write sec 16? 90 minus 74. 90 minus 74 is 16. 16 plus 74, 90. But according to formula, sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta. Cosec 74. In place of theta, there is 74. So 16 and 74 both are 90. Like that you have to remember. Because they are complementary angles. Complementary meaning is sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. Supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Reflexive 270 degrees. Right. Now let us go to exercise. You need not be confused. I made easy how to remember complementary. In the definition only, sine, cosine, complementary angles, tan theta, cotangent theta. Co means here complementary. Secant theta, cosecant theta, sec, cosec. They are complementary angles. Definition only like that. Now, 11.3, I will start from here. Exercise 11.3, page 292. Oh, 1. Tan 30 degrees, 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Number 1. Number 2. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Third. Cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. So, see, Fourth, sine 15 degrees into sec 75 degrees. Fifth, tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Oh. See, these are complementary angles. Both are complementary, tan and cot. Tan and cot both are complementary angles, and 54 is 54 plus 36 is 90. So we can write tan 36 degrees by cot. How to write 54? 90 minus 36. In place of theta there is 36. That is written as tan 30 degrees 36 degrees by tan cot 90 minus theta. Here theta is 36. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Theta means 36 degrees. Both are same, equal 1. You can say orally it's sum of 30%. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. So this also cos 12 degrees you write as it is, sin 78. How to write 78? 12. The theta is 12. Now this is cos 12 degrees minus sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Theta value is 12 degrees. Both are same with different sign cancel. And here also cosec 31 degrees minus sec 90 minus 31 degrees. Cosec 31 degrees minus sec 90 minus theta, cos theta. Cos theta value is 31 degrees. Sec to cosec, cosec 31, and both are same with the different sign cancel 0. And sin 15, right as it is, sec 75, sec 90 minus 15, sin 15 degrees into sec 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta, cosec 15 degrees. But these two are reciprocals. Product of their reciprocals is 1. X into 1 by x. X cancel. The result is 1. The product is 1. So product of their reciprocals is 1. This is 1. Since they are reciprocals. Since sin theta into cosec theta 1. Like this. Now here tan 26 degrees into tan 64 can be written as tan 90 minus 26. 64 can be written as 26. This is theta. So tan 26 degrees into this, finally this becomes cot 26 degrees. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Coangles. But these two are reciprocals. Product of reciprocals is 1. That's like this you have to do. Second one. Second question. So that tan 80 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. Second, cos 36 degrees, cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees, sin 54 degrees. See, so that equal to 0, and this is equal to 1. Now we have to write this. Let us see the relation. 74 54 second, first one, tan 48 tan 48, tan 60. By observation, these are all in equal form. So let us take this to 90, 16 and tan 74 are 90. Now let us write this as tan 48 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 74. Now let us write this as tan 48 degrees into tan of 90 minus 48 into tan 16 degrees into tan 90 minus 16. 74 can be written as 74 can be written as 90 minus 16. 42 can be written as 90 minus 40. This is tan 48 into tan 90 minus theta. This is theta and this is theta. So tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Theta value 48. Okay. Next this one. Tan 16 into tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Cot theta is 60 degrees. Tan and cot 1, tan and cot 1. So this is 1 into 1, this is 1. Thanks. Second question also same. See, this is it is in the form of, by observation, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos of A plus B. It is in the form of cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B is equal to formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Here A value is 36, B value is 54. Cos of A. Here A equal to 36, B equal to 54. This is A and this is B. Cos A cos B. Sin A sin B. A is 36. A is, this is A, this is B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now this is 36 plus 54. This is nothing but cos of 90. Cos 90 is value 0. Cos 90, this is cos sin 0, 0. Cos reverse the order. Reverse the order, you will get cos 90 0. This 0 will come that side. Okay. Now, third question. Third question, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, here 2a is active times 5 and a. We know whenever these two are complementary angles, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Complementary angles, these two are. Sum of the two angles is 90. Like that, tan A equal to tan cot B. Let it be A, this total A, this is B. I have taken formula. Then, since A and B are complementary, therefore A plus B is equal to 90. A plus B is equal to 90. So in place of A, 2A, in place of B, A minus 18. 2A plus A minus 18 is equal to 90. 2A plus A, 3A is equal to 90 plus 18. 3A is equal to 108. A is equal to 108 by 3. And these are 36 degrees. And A is equal to 36 degrees. It is applicable if they are complementary angles, because it is possible when tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Here, in place of theta, 2a here, in 90 minus theta, there is a minus 80. Equal. Then, sum of the complementary angles is 90, and a plus angle b is equal to 90. A, 2a here, b, a minus 80. This totally a, this totally b. So a plus b is 90. Second question, angles are given. Sum of the two angles is 90. Sin and cos, sin theta, sin x is equal to cos y, suppose. Then x plus y is 90. Next. Next one. Fourth question, if tan A is equal to, if tan A is equal to cot B, then so that A plus B is equal to 90. Complementary angles. Tan A is equal to tan of cot of cot B can be written as tan of 90 minus B. 90 minus B is cot B. Then sin A. Then this is, how to write this? Sin of 90 minus B. You can write 1. Sin A is equal to sin 90 minus B. Since we are acute angles, angle A. Yes. Since this is A, since angle A is acute, angle A, acute angle, since angle A is acute angle and acute angle, then A can be written as tan of 90 minus B is equal to tan of 90 minus B. Both the angles are equal. Since A and B are, then A plus B is equal to 90. In place of A, we can also write as 90 minus B. Now here, A is equal to 90 minus B. Then minus B is coming this side. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Like that. If ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. These are all important and easy. Those who are following from the beginning, they can easily understand. I am coming slowly. Today I am explaining about trigonometrical ratios. See, these are the angles of a triangle ABC, interior angles. Then we know sum of the three angles is 180. Then angle A plus solution. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. And we know angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 minus plus C is there, minus C. Because he is asking plus here. In the problem, A plus B is there. Sometimes he will give B plus C. So let us keep this B plus C left side and send this A right side. Now in the question asking A plus B by 2. So let us write A plus B as 180 minus C. 180 minus C. Okay. Dividing both sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2. Then it becomes angle A plus angle B by 2 is equal to 180 minus C by 2 angle C by 2. Okay. Now this is it remains same. A plus b by 2 is equal to 180 by 2, 90 minus c by 2, like this. Now in the question, left side, writing both sides tan on both sides. If here sin given, write sin only. Cos given, write cos. Sec given, write sec, like that. So writing tan on both sides. Next, writing or taking anyhow, writing tan on both sides. On both sides. Now tan of a plus b by 2. We need not write right because the question given a plus b. I am not writing angle because these are angle only. Next, tan of c by 2. Tan minus 90 minus c by 2. So LHS remains the same. Tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Let it be theta. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Theta is c by 2. So like this, these are very important. Other problems are given in exercise. So please practice. In every exercise, some examples are given. You practice them. Then only you will be thorough. Next, sixth question. Very important. If the example given sign given, writing down both sides sign, and here in the left side b plus c is there. So you write b plus c this side, and this a will go that side. Automatically remaining angle will go. By seeing these examples, you can easily follow. Okay. Express 75 degrees plus cos 65 in terms of trigonometrical ratios between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Yes. So to express these angles are given. Here 75 given, here 65 given. We have to reduce into angles between 0 and 45. Easy. Express 75. What 75? Sin 75. Express sin 75. Sin 75 degrees. Sin 75 degrees. Sin 75 degrees is equal to sin 90 minus, to get 75, to take here 15. 90 minus 15 is 75. But according to formula, sin 90 minus theta, cos 15 degrees. So sin 75 is equal to cos 15. We can express sin 75 is same as cos 15. Sin 75 equal to cos 15 degrees. Next, cos 65. Cos 65 can be written as cos 90 minus 65 minus 25. Now, this is cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So this is sin 25 degrees. So given sin 75, so the question becomes here cos 15 degrees plus sin 25 degrees. Right. So sin 75 degrees is equal to sin 75 plus cos 65 can be written as cos 15 plus sin 25. So we are changing, but values are same. Like that you practice. Sin 30 degrees is same as cos 60 degrees. Sin 30 value 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2. Like that. Tan 30 is same as cot 60. Sec 60 is same as cosec 60. So 30, cosec 30, because we have subtract 90. Sin sec 60 degrees is same as cosec 30. Subtract 90. 90 minus theta. So like that, you please practice all examples. Thank you. Be attentive. Listen always each class and slowly. In even small children also can understand this trigonometry. Those who are studying 5th class, 6th class also can understand. But you are in 10th class, you can easily understand. Simply, every day we are giving new information. I am not giving all at once. Please follow and do all examples. Thank you.